In this video, we'll be showing you how to remove adhesive residue, or other sticky messes that have been left behind. To remove these substances, we'll be using a product called Goo Gone. This product specializes in removing adhesive residue, or other sticky messes that refuse to come off. I will be leaving a link to this product in the description if you would like to pick up a bottle for yourself. This link is an affiliate link, meaning if you do buy it, I may receive a small commission off of it. We're going to be using Goo Gone to remove the residue that was left behind on some of these car stickers. As you can see, they're pretty stuck on here. We're going to focus on this corner one right here. So we've got our bottle of Goo Gone here. Go ahead and flip it to where it is on, and now you want to spray it over the residue that you're trying to remove, and just make sure you cover all of it. And you're going to let it sit for a couple minutes, and as it's sitting, the Goo Gone is going to begin to break down some of that residue, so it's going to be easier to wipe and clean off. I would recommend wearing glasses to protect yourself. You don't want any of this stuff getting in your eyes. It's really nasty. After the Goo Gone has been applied for a few minutes, you're going to want to find a white rag or some sort of cloth and take it and just wipe over the spot that you sprayed on. You want to just try and pick up all of the residue. By this point, the Goo Gone should have done most of the work, and your sticker or whatever was on there should be coming up nice and cleanly. After wiping down the area with a rag, you're going to want to grab a paper towel, get it damp and wet. We're going to wring it out here. And then I'm going to be using some Dawn dish soap to put on here. You really just want to find any type of soap that you can use to really clean up the remaining residue that's on there. The Goo Gone, if you leave it, it does just kind of stick. So you need something to kind of wash it off of your car or whatever surface you're working with here. Using that wet and soapy paper towel, we're going to go ahead and just make sure we apply it to the entire area that we had sprayed, just to make sure we don't leave any of that Goo Gone left behind on there. And then I would recommend taking a new damp paper towel and just wiping off of that soap. And if you want to, feel free to take a towel and dry it off. And as you can see, our sticker mess is now gone. And that is how you use Goo Gone to remove sticky substances. Thanks for watching.